if you go to UK, they make a lot of mulled wine for winters basically, which is wine flavored with cinnamon, sugar, cloves, lot of allspice. So I'm going to make some mulled wine poached pear. For which I've got 2 glasses of red wine. You can use any regular red wine, there is no hard and fast rule. Around 80 to 90 grams of sugar. To flavor this wine, I'm going to add some cinnamon, some cloves. Now I've got some nice fresh pears. So we're just peeling the pear and then I'm going to drop it in the mulled wine. The pears have to absorb the whole flavor and the color of the wine into it. So let them slow cook. So once in a while I'm going to turn the pear so that it gets coated all along, so it infuses nicely with the wine. You can see it's already started picking up the wine flavor. So let's keep turning our pears all the way around as the wine reduces. Pour some on top as well. As the wine gets reduced, it will get thick and you will see that the pears absorb more of the flavor and the color. To serve along with the pears, I'm going to do some nice fresh yogurt and mint dressing. So I'm going to strain the yogurt. So let this stay for around 10 to 15 minutes. So a nice fresh bunch of mint. I'm going to pick some nice leaves out of this and then I'm going to chop them. I'm going to put this into the bowl now. The remaining leaves to the wine. So some nice crunchy nuts out here. Now I'm going to add some yogurt. So a bit of honey. So this is the dressing that will go along with the poached pears. So here you can see the wine is reduced by half. It's got slightly thick. The pears have got a lovely color and they have absorbed all the flavor of the wine. So I'm just once again coating them. Let me take them off. Look at that. It just looks amazing. And all the wine which is reduced, that goes on top. So the pears are slightly cool, but they're still warm enough. So next what? Now I'm going to cut the pear through. If there are any seeds into this, you might as well take them off like this. And I'm going to now plate it. With the mulled wine that is nice and reduced. So just pour a bit on top here. Lovely. Now with the yogurt. Some fresh mint sprigs around. This is one of my favorite desserts. It's very healthy, yet very flavorful and totally enjoyable.